In this video, I'll show you how to re-enable the Buy Game button in Shopify. Usually by default, the Buy Game button is displayed at the top right corner on the order status page, as you can see right here, as well as on the orders page on the customer accounts. Right over here, as you can see, it's visible under every past order. So in case you find that this button is missing, in this video, I'll show you how to re-enable it. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Settings, and then click on Checkout. At the very top, look for the configuration section, then find the live configuration, and then select Customize. On the left side of the screen under Settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and look for the Buy Game button option. As you can see in my case, currently deactivated. Let's re-enable it and then save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to the customer account orders page and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the Buy Game button is displayed under every past order. Let's open one of the orders. And here it's also available on the order status page right here. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.